When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you
Hello everyone. Today I would be sharing with you very quick and easy simple pink eye makeup look. If you are beginner, please continue watching this tutorial, and if you are searching for a simple pink eye makeup look, it is going to be helpful for you. If you are interested in knowing how to get this quick eye look, then please continue watching this tutorial. As my makeup palette, I'm using Poison Apple palette, Nika K Poison Apple palette, and picking this pink eyeshadow. All the eyeshadows in this palette are extremely beautiful and pigmented. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my outer V using Sigma E33 brush. Build eyeshadow slowly, intensify pink eyeshadow. Depth on outer V should be greater. Next, I'm using a light pink tone eyeshadow for my crease. This is lighter than previous eyeshadow. I'm using a pencil brush. Move the brush back and forth to deposit on crease and in circular motion for smokiness. Next, I'm using this beige eyeshadow. I'm covering half the eye. Keep your crease line sharp. Next, to give shimmery effect on my eye mid, I'm using the shimmery eyeshadow. All the shimmery eyeshadows in this eye palette are very beautiful. Focus shimmery eyeshadow only on your eye mid. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm outlining my wing. After I'm done outlining, I'm filling. Winged eyeliner application is easier this way. Outline your wing. After you outline rightly, begin filling. Pull a line close to your lash line, joining wing. Now I'm creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. Eye makeup looks very beautiful after creating pointed inner corner. Keep the pointed inner corner point sharp. After this, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. Next, for my lower lash line, I'm using outer V eyeshadow. Kajal also should seem smudged and traces of pink eyeshadow be visible. Move the brush back and forth on a lower lash line. Now I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes while coating mascara. Hold the wand vertically. Use the tip of the wand to coat mascara on your lower eyelashes. And it's done. This is the final look. This is a very simple pink eyeshadow look to create on any pink colored attire. If you like this eye makeup look, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.